Okay. Pawan, remember anything? No. So is it look same as your freestyle or not?
Yes.
Options are all same. Will triggers are all same. But what we have? Do we have the build steps, post build actions? Build steps, post build actions, all these things are there?
No.
Nothing. Do we have the source code management internal?
No.
Everything we are going to integrate only using one single script. There is no build steps, there is no code integration, I mean GitHub integration, there is no post build actions. Each and everything we are going to put it in a script itself. That is what? Integration also in a script, deployment also in a script. But in freestyle, integration we have did it using build steps. Deployment we have did it using post build actions. Remember? That and all is not needed here. Single script for everything. Now tell me a script. I mean syntax. Pipeline. Agent. So pipeline block is going to automate all the stages from development till production. That is what pipeline block means. Agent is nothing but an executor. Agent is nothing but executor. Tell me one thing. Starting when I told you Jenkins installation, I have shown you that Jenkins is in offline. Server is running, but built-in node is offline. Remember that offline status is nothing but that agent. Jenkins is a service name. Inside that service, we have a component which is going to execute your jobs. Here, the component is nothing but agent. That agent name is nothing but built-in node. Clear? Further, you are going to get multiple agents, not single agent. Jenkins has multiple agents. As of now, you are in a default agent, that is built-in node. Clear? Agent is nothing but an executor which is responsible to execute jobs in Jenkins. So after agents, then stages. So inside stage, we have multiple stages. So code stage. Then each and every stage we have steps according to that. So first, code stage. We have to take the code, right? From where we have to take the code? Apply changes. So go to GitHub. So some code I have to take. So it is there, right? I'll copy the code. So how to attach that? So git paste the URL. That's it. Git single quotes, in that you should put the URL. Now git will get integrated with Jenkins. Understanding? Now after taking the code, what we have to do? We have to build the code. Tell me the syntax. Stage. So build the stage. So inside build stage, what we are going to use? We have to use the what is the command? MVN. Can I write the command like this? So we have it is Windows Jenkins, so I have to use bat. If it is Linux Jenkins, you have to use sh. Okay, Windows command, Linux command. That is the difference. If you want to execute command on Windows, then it is bat. If you want to execute command on Linux, then it is sh. Sh means double quotes, bat means triple quotes. Double quotes. more stage I have to create? I should pass the Tomcat URL. I have to pass all the server URLs, then it is going to deploy. The job which is going to take time to create half an hour is going to create in 5 minutes when it comes to first. So now I will save this pipeline script. Then we are going to build it. So don't worry, it is getting failure. I am showing you this pipeline. See here. Are you getting all this view before? No need to go to console output itself. You can see which stage is getting success, which stage is in the process, which stage is going to fail, everything. We are not going to get console output, we are going to get logs for minute to minute. What's happening? Now build stage is in process. On the screen itself, you will get to know from how many seconds, how many minutes the jobs are running. So whether it is in process, success, failure, each and everything you will get here itself. Okay? If it is console output, we have to check where the exception is occurring, right? In this stage, you don't need to check where the exception is occurring because on top of your screen only you will get to know which stage is getting error, and that stage logs you can see separately, you can see the logs. In console output, this much will be there. We are going keep on checking where the exception is occurring. In pipeline, what will happen is for that stage, separate logs will get generated. In the logs only you can refer where actual exception is getting occurred. Okay. Now both the stages are success. So we have generated this build. Next stage is the deployment stage. Right? For deployment, we have to create Tomcat server. That I will show you later. First, create these basic pipeline jobs.